What if we accept robots as our equals? Well, the Christchurch computer scientists' research is suggesting we're well on the way to that happening. Marcus Gibbs has more.
What if robots had feelings? What if they felt pain? A Christchurch computer scientist says feeling reluctant to smash a robot to pieces suggests we perceive robots as being somewhat alive.
Well, rationally, we know that they're just machines, but when we interact with them, we feel that there's something there. They are, to some degree, alive.
Christoph's been researching humans and robots interacting for more than 10 years. His research findings show people are reluctant to kill robots that seem smart or are thought to look human.
You are not really going to switch me off.
Yes, I will. You made a stupid choice. Yes.
What if a robot could feel pain? So if you start squeezing it and doing something with it, will it feel pain? And if it expresses that, what consequences does that have?
His experiments involve asking people to kill or destroy robots and studying their responses.
So if you ask them, now kill it, or switch it off, or turn it off, well, how long does it take before the humans will actually do that? In particular, if the robots are, for example, begging for their lives. So if the robot would say, oh, please don't switch me off, I'll be quiet now. So the hesitation time is what we're actually interested in.
These two robots cost $19,000 each. At that price, they aren't sitting around the average household, and we're not used to how they behave.
Robots exhibit behavior which we are otherwise only familiar with from other humans or animals. So they walk, they talk, they have intentional behavior.
Part of his studies asked research subjects to undress for a medical exam in front of the robot. He was surprised to find many of the subjects were embarrassed to do so.
We're not embarrassed in front of our washing machine. We really don't care about that. So practically speaking, this is a very advanced washing machine. So actually, you shouldn't be embarrassed at all. But what we found is that people are actually embarrassed in front of them. And that means, if they're embarrassed, that means it is not just a machine. There's something more there.
He says vacuum cleaner robots are already entering our homes, and as new robots are developed, his research findings are becoming more important.
They need to be aware of the social and cultural values that we have, and they need to be able to respect them and behave accordingly. So that is why understanding the perception of humans, the humans have of robots, is so important for the acceptance of the robots in our homes.
Bringing us another step closer to one day realising robots as our equals. Marcus Gibbs, CTV News.
With town